Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have one of our successful traders from India, which is super young, and he made a very successful trades in our 5K funded account, and he made a request of payout of 1,150, which he will receive 80% of the profit. So thank you, Aditya, for joining us. Could you introduce yourself?
मेरा नाम आदित्य शिंदे है और मैं इंडिया महाराष्ट्र पुणे से हूँ और मेरी एज है 18 ईयर.
Perfect. Actually, your trading style, it was super impressive to us, and by considering this fact that you are very young, it was super impressive. Congratulations to you and your family. And may I know what are you doing for living beside trading?
मैं फर्स्ट ईयर बीकॉम और मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ कॉमर्स.
Great to hear that. And I wanted to know, would you like to pursue trading as your full-time job or part-time or as your entertainment? We would like to know. Could you let us know?
या मैं घर से ही पढ़ाई भी कर रहा हूँ, ट्रेडिंग भी कर रहा हूँ.
Great to hear that. And wishing you the best. So let's start from this part. How long you are trading and how you start this journey?
Actually, I saw video in Instagram and online. So I first start online education. मैंने ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन से स्टार्ट किया, फिर मैं सेल्फ लर्निंग से सीखते 1 साल तक मार्केट को ये किया.
And what was the first method you learned in trading, and what was your first symbol that you trade?
Support resistance and candle pattern.
Great. So here you made 1,150 during 1 month's trading in a 5,000 account, which approximately means 24%, which is incredible, by maintaining all the trading rules and all the risk management. And there are some facts which may be interesting for our audiences. Aditya win rate, it was only 29%. And it's a message to everyone who think for trading you need to be always winner. By only 30% win rate, less than 30%, 29, he make a very nice gain and profit out of super small account, which means 5,000 account. Another fact is he had 10 consecutive lose. He had 10 lose back to back, but still he made the payout, which means even if you had a hard week or hard day, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times lose, you still you have chance to make it. And you just need to stick in your risk management plan.
Yeah.
And the profit factor, it's only 2. So Aditya, tell us more. We are super excited to know how you manage yourself during this 10 consecutive lose.
नहीं, देखो, दिन का सिर्फ 2 ट्रेड लेने का, वो भी A+ सेटअप पे, वो भी 0.5% और ज्यादा रिस्क नहीं करना. बंद कर देता था ट्रेडिंग. 2 ट्रेड लॉस में गए बंद, 3 ट्रेड लॉस में गए बंद. नहीं, मैं बस इतना ही सोचता हूँ कि मेरे कैपिटल को कैसे प्रोटेक्ट किया जाए, बस उतना ही सोचता हूँ. और ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस यूज करते करते कंपाउंडिंग करते जाता हूँ एंड बिग प्रॉफिट बनाते जाता हूँ.
Okay. So you mean during this consecutive losses, you didn't have any fear, any disappointment? How you face this kind of feelings?
कि नहीं, क्योंकि ये 3% वाला रूल बहुत ये हेल्प किया मेरे को कि रिस्क कम लेने का, और नहीं क्या वो प्रॉपर रूल्स डिसिप्लिन से मैं ट्रेड करता था, तो मेरा ये बन गया.
Great. And how you manage it with 30%, less than 30% win rate? And because most of time you are losing, it doesn't affect on your psychology and how you, because most of traders, some traders are seeking emotion and excitement. How you are managing it?
नहीं, मैं अवॉइड करता था 2-3 दिन ट्रेडिंग. एक बार 3 लगातार लॉस हुए तो बंद. 2-3 वीक से ट्रेडिंग नहीं कर रहा था, तो मैं गोल्ड में ट्रेड करता हूँ, और गोल्ड नहीं कहते ट्रेड में मूव देता है, तो मैं उसको होल्ड करते रहता हूँ. मैं एक्चुअली गोल्ड में ट्रेड करता हूँ. क्वेश्चन क्या था? सॉरी.
Okay. And why you select gold for trading? What makes gold special for you?
ट्रेंड गोल्ड में ट्रेंड चलता है, क्योंकि अपसाइड रहता है, या तो साइडवेज रहता है, या तो डाउन ट्रेंड.
Great. And are you using fundamental analysis as well?
हाँ, कर रहा हूँ ना, एनालिसिस कर रहा हूँ.
Amazing. So I can see Aditya is one of the talent, and there is a bright future for him in financial market and trading. And great. Yeah, during this program, we distribute 3,000 accounts in more than 20 countries all across the globe. And Aditya is one of the most successful traders who making a lot of profit comparing to the account size, and it's incredible. And another incredible fact is that he's making it is a very low win rate. And again, I'm saying it's a lesson for everyone that your risk management plan and your strategies, everything. Don't think about that how many trades you fail, because market it's not treating you as is always treating you. It's always changing. The condition of market is not constant, and it's always changing.
आपकी पहली प्रायोरिटी होनी चाहिए कि अपना कैपिटल किसे बचाना. मैं ये सारे लोगों को बताना चाहूँगा.
First time you start trading, you start on a real account in broker or prop trading?
Demo.
Demo account. Okay, great. So one question, let me know with yes or no, without mentioning the name. Did you trade on any other prop firm?
No.
Okay, so it was your first time trading on prop?
Yes, this is first time.
Amazing. And you before only trade on demo?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Perfect. It's incredible, and we could nominate you to interview in our Hall of Wonders.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for opportunity.
Great.
This all because of you.
Yeah, we're always happy to support traders like you who has the talent, and so we get these steps. We grew together, and we're always happy to support you guys. Perfect. Congratulations. By the way, there are many traders who are still struggling for making payout and earning from their skill in trading. What is your advice for our audiences and other traders?
हमें अपना कैपिटल प्रोटेक्ट करना चाहिए, प्रॉफिट करना ठीक है बट प्रोटेक्ट हमारा फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी होना.
So first defense and then offense.
Yeah. First defense.
Agree? And what is your ultimate goal in trading, and what future, what vision you have in trading?
I want 4-digit payout from CapitalChain.
Looking forward to make it very soon.
Yeah.
And what is the ultimate? What is the beyond the 4-digit? What we are seeing and what we are counting on it? It's 7-digit. That's what's all the hardworking and smart traders deserve.
Yeah. I will come again to give you interview.
Great. Okay, very well. So, at the end, what do you want to say to our audiences, to our community? And just tell me, the first you faced this community engagement program, what was your feeling and what was your thought?
मुझे इतना ही पता था कि इस अकाउंट पे $500 का पे आउट लेना ही है, कुछ भी होगा. और इन्होंने अपॉर्चुनिटी दी है तो कोई देख के ही दिए कि ये बंदा कितना ट्रेड कर सकता है डिसिप्लिन के साथ एंड रूल फॉलो.
Yes, something interesting. It was many traders. Unfortunately, they had doubt that is it really true? Because this program, to be honest, it was too good to be true. So that's why there was a lot of hesitant. But right now, you're seeing people, they get the account, they pass the challenges, they get the funded account, and right now they are making the payout. And whatever we make promise, we stand to make it true. And we will be happy to make the more exciting and massive programs to support our community, the people who are standing by us in our path.
India platform को बहुत support है.
Perfect. And our team is formed by 9 different nationalities, which India is one of the strongest part of our company team. And we will happy to support you guys and make more profits together. And for next interview, I hope it will be 5-digit. I mean, you have to promise 5-digit payout.
Yeah, of course.
Great. Okay, guys, wish you the best. Let us know in comments what do you think and what do you need to know more in our next interviews. And wishing you the best of luck in your forex trading journey.